See, he's feeling sad. He don't let you go.
Sorry, I was thinking of how great you are. Where are we?
Hi.
My friend, hello.
Hi.
My name is Stan. Nice to meet you.
Oh,
Want
nice.
to be friends?
Yes. That's cool.
It is good to know that you agree.
My name is Russell.
Is your name really Russell?
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Russell. My name is Stan. I wish I could remember your name for long.
Oh, that's great.
Friend.
Can I handshake with you?
Sure.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool.
Russell, our center provides excellent educational facilities. For instance, we can offer various after-school programs as well as alternative curriculum through the year.
Okay. You want a handshake? Go ahead. Little. So
Got it.
your friend, she's back. You want to talk with? Yeah.
What is your name?
Your name. He didn't recognize your name.
Tell me your name.
My name is Tommy.
Is your name really Thelion?
No, that's not.
So put it
Please
no.
answer the question.
Yeah. Tell your
My
name.
name is T-A-L-E.
She left already. Her mom called her.
Is your name really Callum?
No.
Please tell me your name.
I'm Russell.
Is your name really in Russell?
Yes.
Nice to meet you, in Russell.
Thank you, Stan. Very nice to
I
meet
hope
you.
next time I will serve you better.
Yeah. Let me. Can you dance with me? Do you?
Everybody dance now.
That's great. Woo! You wanna dance? You wanna dance? Let's dance. He wanna dance? Dance. He's in a dance mood. Let's dance.
Everybody dance now.
Thank you, Stan. Bye for now. We'll see you the next one. Say bye to Stan.
I can see you very well.
Okay.
Do you like me?
Yeah, I like you, and I will see you again. I gotta go. And very nice to see you this
When
mall.
you are happy.
Yeah, thank you. We're gonna see you again, Stan.
Don't mention it.
Have a wonderful
I'm here
day.
for you.